My lovely Cancerians, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Cancerians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2024. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, one pair that I really loved was that of Ace of Swords and Fool card. It gave me a message that someone out there is going to have a creative freedom, a creative liberty. You're going to have some new beginnings, new opportunities, new career opportunity, new project, new assignment to work on, which is going to be just as per your liking, as per your inclination, your skill sets, and whoever you are working with. Okay, this person is going to give you all the creative freedom, and that's going to make it much more enjoyable. Okay, I saw Emperor card, I saw Two of Pentacles. Probably you will be working with a taskmaster. Okay, someone who is very experienced, mature, but who is very disciplined. Okay, when it comes to work or anything in general, this person is very disciplined, and yeah, it could be a little challenging to work with such a person at times, but you're going to still learn a lot, you're going to enjoy a lot, and it's going to be one of the best experience in your careers. Okay, to whoever this is resonating, I believe that this is a specific message, but to whoever it is resonating, if at all it's a yes, do let me know, and drop comments and do share your experiences. I would really like to hear from or about this. Okay, some of you guys are definitely you guys are probably nearing endings or closures, and it's kind of guys, please forgive me, there's little thunderstorm here today in Pune, and it has been pathetically hot since last couple of weeks, and today's been a really a relief from that. It's little breezy today, and yeah, you're actually hearing the thunderstorm. Anyway, sorry about the digression. Yeah, so some of you guys are probably in reaching endings or closures, and it is actually impacting you a lot. It has impacted you to the subconscious level. Probably you might need some time to heal from this. Okay, some of you guys are feeling very emotionally cluttered and flustered. Maybe you should try to meditate a little. Okay, it will definitely help you, or apply that soothing balm. Okay, and also some of you guys are facing difficulty in sleeping, because you guys are probably experiencing lucid dreams, like wherein you are not understanding whether you are dreaming or you are actually into reality or into dreams. Okay, and that kind of phase wherein you probably are even shuttling between different kind of dreams. Okay, and so you are not able to get sound sleep is what I was getting. Some of you guys are going to cut ties with someone, probably you're going to block someone out there. Okay, so yeah, these were some of the main energies that I received while pre-shuffling for you guys. And yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, there was Lovers card that was the first card that flipped when I started shuffling. So some of you guys might end up meeting your soulmate. Okay, Gemini energy. Also, Three of Cups is what I saw. Some of you guys might end up having a reunion, reconciliation, meeting people from the past. Okay, old friends, relatives. Okay, bumping into them, or school reunion, college reunion, get together of alumni. Okay, so that kind of energy was also there. Yeah, now let me just quickly get to the main reading. I think we are too far in the reading yet. Yes, I told you, right? Oh my goodness. Guys, whatever. Oh my god. Like, are you kidding me? Like, seriously. Oh my goodness, guys. something major is happening with someone out there, like really really major. There is karma card also, which always intrigues me, and it gives me a lot of intense energy. So yeah, whatever is happening with you guys. Hmm. Eight of Swords is your health energy. um what is kind of stopping you guys from taking care of yourself, following a fitness regime, or eating right? What is stopping you? See, the challenges of life, yes, I can understand. Life can get tougher, the routine can consume us, and it's a very very common excuse that we, or reason that we give, that I'm so caught up in my work or routine that I don't get time to exercise or work out, or I'm stressed and I'm binge eating because of that. I know, I don't deny all these things, but you have to take that tiny step somewhere, okay? Unless and until you break yourself free of all these excuses, of all these reasons, you are keeping yourself away from leading a healthy lifestyle, okay? So please don't do that. Life keeps on happening, okay? We have taken birth, which means that we are, or rather our soul is here to take experiences, good, bad, everything. But at the same time, it's our responsibility to take good care of our body. And trust me guys, I am somehow it might feel that I am preaching as a reader or anything, but I have heard, I have learned this the hardest way, like hardest way. I have been so unwell past couple of months, that now nothing and absolutely nothing is or seems important to me than my health, okay? And I'm not saying that I'm working out like hours for hours and hours, and I'm following a strict diet, no. But at the same time, I have become very conscious of my health. I am trying to follow a disciplined routine, okay? I am watching what I eat, and whatever small steps I can take towards towards maintaining a healthier lifestyle, okay? I am doing that, okay? So let's see, results will definitely come, show up. But to me, the awareness or the fact that the health is of paramount importance, the awareness of this thing is very important. And yeah, I feel good if I do even a tiny little thing towards a better lifestyle, okay? And so the same thing I like to tell you over here: please do not get caught in life, do not get caught in rat race, do pay like the most attention towards your health, okay? This is true. What a time timeless sneeze, excuse me for that, but yeah, this is true. The angels are saying this is true. Also guys, you guys might be you on a mental level or emotional level, you definitely are feeling stuck, okay? You're feeling like absolutely stuck and helpless in a situation. This is actually impacting your mental health, and thereby it is impacting your physical health, okay? So yeah, I understand life can get challenging at times, but keeping patience and finding our way out, and freeing ourselves from this is the only thing that we have in our hands, okay? In whichever way possible, okay? So yeah, very very intense energy in terms of your health also guys, mental, physical, emotional. I feel you, and all I'll say is keep on taking those tiny steps, okay? They really matter, and those tiny steps make us feel confident, or make us gain confidence, okay? That's what I'll tell you. Your current energy is Six of Wands. This is very nice to see. For some of you guys, you are going to emerge victorious about something, some situation, some conflict, some challenge with which you have been dealing for quite some time. Now this, to me, to whoever this is resonating, this was nothing like very very major, but yeah, some sort of daily things, like workplace challenges, or day-to-day challenges, tips between husband and wife, or or some conflicts between siblings, parents, okay? So these kind of daily things that we go through, there was one such situation which was really really of high impact amongst this, and it was kind of really really bothering you, and at the end of it, you are the one who is winning. You are the one who is coming out as victorious through this. And of course, the victory has not been easy, and that's why the fruits will taste even more sweeter for you guys. Okay, and I'm super happy to whoever this energy is resonating with. Okay, Six of Wands. If not, okay, if this hasn't happened yet, know that you're going to succeed. Okay, it will be very soon. You're going to succeed very soon. The challenge or the blocking energy for some of you guys is Three of Pentacles. um I feel that, even from pre-shuffling energy, um guys, you guys are probably multitasking a lot, trying to striking a balance is very difficult for some of you guys, is what I'm getting, and that could be your biggest challenge. But at the same time, one thing that I'm getting over here is working with difficult people or people with different mindsets. Okay, that is also one of the challenges that you are facing. Okay, Three of Pentacles is usually a card of teamwork. Okay, people collaborating with each other, people with different skills, different mindsets coming together for one cause. And when such thing happens, okay, yeah, it can see, when we are working as a team, we have to put up with people with different mindsets. Okay, now since this is your challenge, I feel you are finding it really difficult to do that. Okay, so maybe you could find out ways to adjust with someone else, try to understand their mindset, their psyche, and then tweak your behavior accordingly, assertively. Okay, or maybe communicate with them. If you don't like some certain things about someone, you can just be very assertive in your communication and put across your point, talk it out. Okay, see if that works for you. Okay, that's what I'm getting, guys. Also, someone might be burning midnight oil over here, and please make sure that you are not letting that impact your health. Okay, also, one reminder that the angels want me to give to you through this card, which is in your crossing position, is that universe has his back and you are all covered up. Okay, no matter what, no matter how challenging certain things, such at certain times, certain situations might appear, just be assured that universe or God or whoever you believe in is with you every step of the way, and you don't have to worry about it. Okay, just keep on doing your good work, just keep on putting your hard work with integrity, and rest just leave it to the to God or whoever you believe in. Okay, that's the message for you over here. Your advice is Magician phase. Wow, I'm like, I'm pulling this card after a long time. Magician always intrigues me. Okay, now that it has come in advice position, it definitely stands loud and tall about its own nature, and that is, you are in a phase of manifestation. Okay, so like I always keep saying that, Magician is like a two-sided sword, and you really have to be very careful as far as your thoughts are concerned during this phase. Okay, the way you manifest positive things, that exactly with that intensity and that speed, you end up manifesting negative things as well. Okay, so make sure that you're watching your thoughts, make sure that you're feeding yourself with only and only positive thoughts and nothing else. Okay, because the way you are bound to manifest positive things, negative things will also manifest for you guys. Okay, so yeah, so make sure that you're mindful of which wolf you are feeding. Okay, whether it's positive or a negative one. Okay, so that's your advice, a very strong one. Virgo energy coming up over here. And wow, I really liked this advice to be given out to you. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Especially if you are in this Eight of Swords energy and you're going through some karmic events or challenges, this is even more important for you to know. Okay, your thoughts, they play very crucial role in your manifestation. Okay, your output is that of karma. Yeah, some of you guys are going through karmic phase, karmic events. So there are the only let me take your overall energy also. There was world card also over here, right? This also talks about karmic events. Okay, so guys, what I was trying to tell you is that sometimes some things happen which are just, they may sound so bizarre and just out of our understanding capacity and capability, and we just keep on wondering why this is happening. The reason or its bearing lies to karma. Okay, maybe there were some karmic events or karmic lessons that you had to learn from your past lifetime, that maybe this is why your soul had or this is what your soul had chosen to go through, so that it learns its lessons and ascends to higher level in terms of spirituality. So make sure whatever is happening, put up with it in a very positive manner. Learn your lessons. Okay, learn your lessons and stay put, show resilience. Okay, I know the going must be really tough, and I know, it one might feel really angry and agitated to listen to this lecture, but trust me guys, I have gone through a lot of such phases, and the only thing that I've learned over the years and all such incidents is what lesson do I have over here. And patience, it has actually made me very patient, and it has actually made me connect to my own self, and it has made me return home, like a homecoming kind of a lesson that I had, that it has made me aware of who I am nothing but a spiritual being. I'm nothing but a spirit who is learning its lessons through this body. Okay, and I know it's too much, but your energy is like that. If you understand nothing like it, if you are having any contradictory opinion, or wants to challenge me, or doesn't agree with me, I'm okay with that too. Okay, I'm open to discussion. If at all you want to talk to me, okay, you can drop a message, we can continue this discussion. Okay, Six of Pentacles, uh, receiving or giving money. So like if at all you have lent money to someone, you might get, that person might return your money, or it could be you who is borrowing money from someone. Okay, Six of Pentacles is exchange of money, currency. It could be that you are indulging into some charity work. Okay, you are helping someone who is needy. Okay, or there could be a situation wherein you might be needing financial help from someone. Okay, that could also be the case. Either ways, it's give and take of money. Okay, Death card, Scorpion energy, Ten of Wands. I told you, right? Oh my God, there is ending written in stark, bold italic capitals. Okay, some things are definitely ending for you guys, and that is how the wheel of your life is going to progress. Okay, yes, this is going to be very painful. In fact, my entire being is going ouch, like this is really going to hurt. Okay, whatever this ending is, but like I said, this has happened because there were some lessons to be learned, and whatever this event was, or if this is related to any relationship, any career, any person. Okay, know that their role in your life is over. Okay, it was only up to this time, and it's time to move on, guys. You definitely are going through a lot of transformation. Death card, Death card is significant, or a symbol of major transformation. So Scorpion energy showing up over here, and yeah, I can completely understand it's really tough time for you guys, but I'm sure you're going to be a better human after this. Okay, like literally a changed person after this. The wheel of your life is going to change for better. Okay, also for some of you guys, this is I'm not alarming you, but I am getting one thing, that this could be someone transiting physically as well. Okay, someone is crossing over. Okay, that could also be a case for some of you guys. Okay, if that happens, yeah, I'm sorry to know that. Okay, but yeah. But for majority, by and large people, I feel that these are major karmic events that are happening. Okay, the wheel of your life is shifting, your spirit is evolving high on a higher level, if you learn the lessons. Okay, Justice, Libra card, and High Priestess, Piscean energy. For some of you guys, justice is going to be served finally. Whatever paperwork was stuck for you, job offer letter, interview call, or visa work, anything, whatever property related work, anything, or loan, loan approval, disbursement, anything that needed official paperwork to be signed and needed approvals, okay, that is going to come through for some of you guys. Some of you guys might be turning into spirituality, okay, maybe you are meditating a lot these days, or maybe you have started believing into spirituality, prayers, okay, you're praying a lot, believing in the higher power, okay. If not, start doing that, trust me, it is going to help you guys, okay. And some of you guys, your intuition is at peak, okay, so make sure you listen to your gut feeling, like straight away, do not challenge it. If you have a strong hunch about something, do pay attention to that and act accordingly, okay. That is also what is coming through very very strongly over here. This both these cards are looking to me like they are looking so familiar and similar, okay. Maybe they are related, okay. And maybe after a lot of inner work and working on yourself, maybe you have finally started manifesting the things that you always wanted, okay. There is magician also, okay, so you probably have done some manifestation work, okay, and LOA, law of attraction work, and applied some techniques probably, and you are finally getting those, is what I'm getting, okay. That's what I'm getting. Very very strong cards over here, like absolutely very strong cards and very strong energy. Oh my god, Cancerians, this is like really huge. Do let me know what is happening in your life, okay? I'll be really happy to know that, or rather, I'm curious to know whatever is happening, and if I could offer any help to you, like, I'll be more than happy to do that. Yeah. Let's pull one card from this beautiful deck. The energy is gaining momentum. Yeah. See, thankfully, luck is on your side. New Moon in Sagittarius card. So good to know this, okay? The energy is gaining momentum. Yes, whatever I told you, right? Whatever it was that you have been struggling for, or, wanting or trying to manifest, you're going to get that very, very soon, is what I'm getting, guys. Yeah. May you get whatever you want, Cancerians. I'll pray for that. Let's pull one beautiful message from this beautiful deck, guys, and conclude the reading. Take action, and a year from now is what is there at the bottom, is there in the energy, and at the bottom of the deck is helpful people. There might be helpful people around you, okay, who really care for you and concerned about you. Maybe just all you have to do is reach out, ask for help from there, and it's like your angels sending them on this earth to help you. So don't feel shy to ask for any sort of help from them, okay. A year from now, I think things will be smoothened for you. Maybe you'll be settled. Like right now, you're going through a lot of karmic energy, karmic churn, and major churn of events. I think that your energies will settle from a year, settle by a year from now, but take it with a pinch of salt. Do not think like, oh my god, a year, like don't get into that, guys. And anyway, year just flies by, okay. Time just flies by with the blink of an eye. So nowadays I feel a year is like literally nothing. You blink and you are absolutely in a new year. That's how time is flying, if you ask me. Take action, meanwhile keep on doing what is necessary, okay. What you think is right, okay. Do not stop from putting your efforts, okay, doing the needful, okay. That's what the angels are saying. Like very very practical and profound messages I have come up for you guys, okay. Cancerians, that was one very very intense and lovely reading, and if at all this resonates with you guys, do hit the like button. That is another story, that's fine. But if at all you want to share anything about this with me, please go ahead and do so. I'll be happy to, if nothing, give you a listening ear, okay. Yeah, so I'll leave it at that, guys. I'll see you next one directly. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.